Hey guys, Monty here with Kaizink. Showing you guys just how to set this job right here. We've got it's a PNG. It's a simulated spot process job because we have the overflow that's being called out, and then we just need to set the waves right here. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go into our Step Studio. We're going to find our job, which is right here, our full back, and see it's a PNG. And so what you don't see on this screen is actually I'm going to move the image over. So I'm going to pull this back up. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to have this on another screen here so I can make sure that I am accurately sepping this job to the way that it was proofed. So what we want to do first of all is get rid of everything that's not in there, and that's going to be this red here. We're going to delete the red. We're going to delete this gold because there's nothing there. As I delete these, I can see that there's a black screen here and there's nothing there. I'm going to delete this green, and so now I'm left with base, blue, the turquoise gray, and the final white. Our next step, what we're going to want to do, now that we've got rid of things immediately that we know we don't need, is we want to find a color shirt that is close enough to what we're going to be printing on. So what we're going to be printing on is an athletic heather, so we're going to change the color of that shirt. And then the color that's being called out that's on the proof is 280. You can kind of see it right there. So I'm going to change this blue here to 280. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to go to ink, and right here on where it says PMS, we have a bunch of colors to choose from here. If I go over here and I type in 280, that's going to allow me to change that ink color. I'm just going to click on that right there, change my blue, and now our blue is going to show up as 280. And so if you look at our base, we don't want to base this the text, so I'm going to actually adjust the separation. So we're going to go adjust separation, and I'm going to decrease the saturation until I don't see a base, because we just want the white on, we just want to base the white in that little wave there. So it's gone, so we're going to say okay. And then same thing with our final white. Our blue is we don't want any white printed over top of our blue, so we're gonna decrease this as well. So we're gonna right click, adjust separation, and we're gonna decrease that until it's gone. Okay, so now what we're gonna wanna do here is we're gonna wanna increase the saturation for our text here until we have a nice bold blue. Okay, so now we have a nice solid blue there. We're going to keep our turquoise the same and our gray C8 the same, and take a look at it. We can zoom out. So that's going to be the result we're going to get. And if we want to bring some more of this turquoise in, we're going to go ahead and edit here actually, because I want to see some more of that turquoise in there. And pretty much we're just referring to the mock-up when we're looking at it. If you can see here, there's quite a bit of that turquoise in there, and so we want to make sure that our SEP is matching what we proofed out to the customer. So this is what we're gonna start with. And we're going to get these screens produced. So we'll go ahead and we are going to save these. We're going to go to print. We're going to print all of those screens. So we're going to say print. Oh, my bad there. We're actually going to print them, but we're not going to print them. We need to set our drop. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go custom. We're going to go 4 inches. We're going to have a full back. what's going on here.